Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we review the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we're comparing two air fryers that have been making waves in the industry, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL and the Chefman TurboFry Touch. Make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. If you're cooking for the whole family, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is the way to go. It has an 8-quart capacity ceramic coated pot that is non-stick and PFOA-free, plus a 5-quart ceramic coated cook and crisp basket that can hold a large 7-pound chicken. In comparison, the Chefman TurboFry Touch has a slightly smaller 5.5-quart basket. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL has 12 different programmable cooking functions, including air fry, pressure cook, slow cook, steam, bake, and more. It even has a sous vide function. On the other hand, the Chefman TurboFry Touch has 4 one-touch cooking presets for quick and easy meals. Both products have been rigorously tested for safety, but the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL edges ahead with 14 safety features. These include lid safety switches, overheat protection, and a pressure release valve. Meanwhile, the Chefman TurboFry Touch is CETL approved for durable and safe use. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is priced at $249, while the Chefman TurboFry Touch is priced at $129. While the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is more expensive, the added capacity and versatility might make it worth the investment for larger families or cooking enthusiasts. So there you have it, a side-by-side comparison of the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL and the Chefman TurboFry Touch. Both have their pros and cons, but ultimately it comes down to what you're looking for in an air fryer. We hope this video was helpful in making your decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.